Dear audience, good afternoon. The panoramic blueprint of a United Nations permanent envoy from Bangladesh. Today I analyze my personal procedure, though in a nutshell. Forex, who? The permanent representative is the highest ranking diplomat of Bangladesh to the United Nations, usually a career foreign service officer of exceptional seniority, often a secretary level ambassador appointed directly by the Prime Minister. The person must be a master of multilateral diplomacy, a cultural ambassador, and a sharp negotiator who carries the nation's voice into the world's most complex forum. Think of a bridge between the Secretariat in Dhaka and the entire UN system. For what? This is not a merely a ceremonial post. The permanent representative's life is a continuous cycle of number one, leading the permanent mission in New York, often the consulate. Number two, representatives representing Bangladesh in the General Assembly, Security Council when elected, ECOSOC, and countless committees. Number three, sitting face to face with ambassador of 192 other states, negotiating resolutions on peace, climate, trade, human rights, and migration. Number four, shielding and projecting the national image while gathering intelligence on global trends that affect Bangladesh. Why? For why? Bangladesh needs this envoy because the United Nations is the theater where small and middle power nations survive and thrive. The permanent representative ensures that Bangladesh's priorities climate justice, LDC graduation, sustainable development, Rohingya repartition, peacekeeping contributions are not just whispered but shouted from the podium. Without this voice, the nation's sacrifices forex over 7,500 peacekeepers deployed. Climate vulnerability would be visible in global policy making, where the official base is the permanent mission of Bangladesh to the United Nations in Newark at 820 Diplomat Center, 820 Diplomat Center, Second Avenue. But the permanent representative's real address is the United Nations headquarters, the Security Council chamber, glass old, glass they are all negotiating rooms and frequent travel to Geneva, Vienna, or global summits. The mission itself is a mini Bangladesh on foreign soil, buzzing with officers, attaches, and a 24 by 7 alert cycle. How? On, earn, on earns this post through decades of diplomatic providing, serving in capitals like Washington, London, Beijing, Delhi, often at the United Nations itself as a deputy. The appointment is political and professional. The cabinet level decision. Once in the seat, the how is a relentless rhythm. Number one, morning intelligence briefings from Dhaka, back to back UN committee sessions, bilateral meetings, working launches, drafting statements, managing crises, a sudden General Assembly emergency session, a COP at home, a neutral disasters, global response, midnight calls with the foreign minister due to time zone differences, and finally, strategic social hosting a well timed dinner can unlock votes. Shubida advantages global platform. I shape narratives on climate, peacekeeping, and development that affect millions. Number two, prestige and access. Doors open everywhere from the United Nations Secretary General's office to all street think tanks. Intellectual feast. Daily interaction with the finest diplomatic minds keeps the mind razor sharp. Tangible legacy. A successfully negotiated resolution, a chaired committee, a climate fund plays this mark history. Network. Lifelong relationship with future world leaders. Disadvantage. Crushing pressure. I am responsible for protecting national honor 24 by 7. A misstatement can spark a diplomatic firestorm. Psychological toll. Living far from family, navigating New York's cost of living on a fixed government budget, constant scrutiny from Dhaka media and political rivals, diplomatic loneliness. You, I must be impeccably neutral abroad while internally wrestling with instructions from a partisan capital. Physical exhaustion, 14-hour days, jet lag, and the relentless pace of three United Nations meetings simultaneously. Moral dilemmas, occasionally having to defend a domestic position that sits uncomfortably with the United Nations human rights framework. Previous condition. When Bangladesh joined the UN on 17 September 1974, the mission was a tiny, fledgling outpost. The first permanent representative, Khaja Wasiuddin, and his successors worked from modest rented offices. The previous condition was a struggle for recognition, overcoming the 1972 Chinese veto, establishing credibility as a new nation, and leveraging the United Nations for reconstruction aid. For decades, the mission focused mainly on survival, peacekeeping footprints, and being a responsible developing country. Quite steady, non confrontational. Current condition. Today, Bangladesh mission is a powerhouse of the global south. I repeat, today Bangladesh mission is a powerhouse of the global south. The current permanent representative, Ambassador Muhammad Abdul Mohit, as of my knowledge, and his team operate with strategic confidence. The mission, number one, they are influential UN bodies. For it, the peace building commissions, the executive board of UNDP, or UNFPA. Number two, spearheads the annual resolution on culture of peace, and leads climate vulnerabilities negotiations. Number three, drives the narrative on the Rohingya crisis, securing resolution and humanitarian funding, is at the forefront of LDC graduation debates, demanding fair transition support, host high-level site events, and is a go-to mediator to regional tension. Digital diplomacy, media savvy, and a sharp focus on SDG localization have modernized the mission completely from its quiet 1970s origin. The office is now a bustling hub that never sleeps. Uh, Dear audience, the four cornerstone I requested: number one, knowledge; number two, responsibility; number three, accountability; number four, transparency. If you don't knowledge, but if you carry the responsibility, then how would I accountability and transparency will my back? Don't never. So anyway, now let's hardwire this into the blueprint. They are not separate. Why they are the skeleton, concal, on which the entire life hangs. Knowledge. Number one, knowledge. The permanent representative must possess a vast, constantly updated intellectual reservoir. Number one by one, character and law. Deep command of the UN Charter, international humanitarian law, a law of the sea and climate treaties, Paris Agreement, loss and damage fund rules. One by two, Bangladesh soul. Intimate knowledge of the country's constitutions, foreign policy dictum, friendship to all, malice towards none, economic trajectory, and domestic red lines. Number one by three, regional geopolitics, fluency in South Asian dynamics, India, China, Myanmar, the Bay of Bengal, security architecture. Number one by four, global agenda, mastery of the SDGs, Sustainable Development Goal, peacekeeping doctrine, desertment, cyber governance, and migration compacts. Number one by five, negotiation craft, understanding procedural rules of the General Assembly and Security Council, bloc politics, such as G77, LDC Group, OIC, and how to draft languages that builds consensus. Without this knowledge, the envoy is a navigator without a map. Without above knowledge, the envoy is a navigator without a map. Number two, responsibility, দায়িত্ব, formal, codified, and immense. 2.1, representation, speak and vote on behalf of the government of Bangladesh in all UN organs. Negotiation, on by 2, sharp and deliver Bangladesh's national statements, coordinate with capital for instructions, and negotiate resolutions. 2 by 3, reporting, maintain a continuous stream of encrypted analytical telegrams to the foreign ministry, political intelligence, upcoming threats, opportunities, etc. 2.4, consular and community, oversee the welfare of the Bangladesh diaspora and the consular services from Newark. 2.5 hosting and breezing. Organize thematic examination forex on Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, Rohingya art, and receptions that build goodwill. 2.6 Crisis management. Be the first responder in any global emergency that affects Bangladesh's interest from pandemic to war. 2.6 Peacekeeping liaison. Bangladesh is the top troop contributor. The permanent representatives defends the safety, payment, and mandate of these peacekeepers. Number three, accountability, jawabdihita. This is multi-layered and non-negotiable. I repeat, accountability. This is multi-layered and non-negotiable. Accountability. 3.1 to the state. The permanent representative is accountable to the foreign minister, the prime minister, and through them to the Jatiyo সংসদ parliament. Answer must be given for any policy divergence. 3.2 to the people. Ultimately, every word spoken at the United Nations reflects on 170 million Bangladeshis. The permanent representative cannot act as a free agent. Each stance must serve the national interest. 3.3 to the UN system. As an international civil servant of a member state, the permanent representative must uphold the Charter's principles, sovereignty, equality, peaceful settlement of disputes, breaching United Nations financial rules or ethical norms invites censure. 3.5 Internal audits. The mission's budget is state money. Strict compliance with the Foreign Ministry's financial regulations, annual audits, and performance reviews are mandatory. Any misstep ends career. Transparency, স্বচ্ছতা for transparency. In the context of a diplomatic posting, transparency is a delicate dance. In the context of a diplomatic posting, transparency is a delicate dance. Like one, public communication. The mission now uses Twitter, X handler, which I called Twitter, Facebook, and official press release to instantly share Bangladesh's UN interventions. Citizens can follow the permanent representatives' statements in real time. The UN open debates. When the Security Council or General Assembly holds open sessions, the permanent representative speech become a public record, accessible globally. Nothing is hidden. Parliamentary reporting. Annual reports on UN engagements are often placed in Parliament, and the permanent representative can be summoned for parliamentary committee queries, ensuring domestic visibility. Information trajectory. While sensitive diplomacy requires confidentiality during negotiations, the final outcomes, resolution voted on, treaties signed are fully disclosed. The permanent representative must never operate in a fog of unrecorded promises. Ethical clarity. Transparency also means no secret side agreements, no undisclosed lobbying. The mission's org is increasingly documented and shared with research institutions and media, demystifying diplomacy for the nation. This blueprint shows EU that the life of a UN permanent envoy from Bangladesh is a high wire act of immense intellect, relentless duty, and deep patriotism. It demands that you carry not just a diplomatic passport, but the dreams of a nation born out of sacrifice. Dear audience, now today, also all of you understanding and understanding. Thank you so much.